Hey, what's up guys? Nick here with Sellers Arena, and I just wanted to hop into Seller Central real quick because there is a new feature within Amazon's sponsored product PPC ads that they've added specifically in the product targeting section. So what this is going to allow you to do, basically a new type of exact match. Okay, so it's called Exact Expanded. Okay, so let's hop in here and let me show you this real quick. We'll just set up a quick ad just to show you, give you an example. Let me just go ahead and pick a product out of our catalog, just as an example. You're going to switch to manual targeting. You're going to switch to product targeting. Okay, so this is going to allow you to access this new feature. We're going to go to individual products. Of course, there is the normal category targeting that you can do. You can target entire categories, and this is going to be a little similar to that. But as you can see here, we got the expanded version of Exact Match. Let's say we're targeting kayaks. Okay, say we're selling a kayak and we're going to target other kayaks with our ads. So this is going to allow us to pick, either we can do the normal exact. Okay, so we're going to target this specific kayak, making our ads show up on their product page, okay, at the bottom of their product page to try to steal some of their sales. So we could add that in normally and create a campaign full of exact ASINs that we want to target. Another option would be to add expanded. I've already added the exact match version of this. I could add an expanded version of this. So what this is going to allow us to do is to allow Amazon to base our selection of the product that we want to target and select other products similar to that to also target. So it's kind of like, almost makes it more of like a broad match, or almost like category. That's why I mentioned that in the beginning, because it's going to allow Amazon to base its selections off of what we selected. This is something brand new to Amazon. We haven't even seen it for all of the accounts we've managed. This is just one of the accounts that we've noticed in the sports and outdoors specifically that we've seen it. So maybe if you're in sports and outdoors, you might see it also. I'm not sure, maybe some other categories, they might have rolled it out by the time you see this video. And again, it's pretty new. And as you can see, expanded is they target a single product along with others closely related to it. This can include substitutes, complements, and other products shoppers engage with related to the original product. So again, this could be accessories or anything related. So this could be a good thing to test. Again, this is something new we're going to test now. This has been released. And what I would recommend is, because Amazon's automatically giving this option to just drop both of them in there at the same time. We like to have clean data here at Sellers Arena, and I recommend you do the same. So I would go ahead and make your normal campaign with your exact match. Okay. And then I would create a separate campaign and call it product targeting expanded, for example, depending on how you like to name your campaigns. I highly recommend naming them properly so you know what's within them without having to dig down into them also. But then you can add all your expanded targets, and maybe it's only a few, because again, this is going to be more of a broad match. So you don't need to put in every single target in there that you would for the exact match. This is going to be a little more of like a broad match style. So maybe you could have fewer targets. Maybe you're just your main products that you want to target and let Amazon go from there. Again, so you have good clean data of results from the expanded match type campaign and results from your normal exact ASIN targeting campaign. Okay, so now one additional thing with this, when you make your expanded campaign, you want to do your negative product targeting. So again, to make sure you have clean data, because you're going to be already targeting those specific ASINs with your exact match or product targeting campaign. So you're going to have those there. So we're going to make sure you're not doing that here. This is only going to be for the additional products that Amazon is going to find. So you can go ahead and negative exact the ASIN that you're already targeting in your exact match campaign. So for example, this one here, if this is one of the ones already be targeting in our exact match campaign, we can come down here, say exclude products, enter a list, drop that ASIN there, exclude. Okay, simple as that. Exciting new release from Amazon, exciting new feature. Definitely give it a try. We're going to be, again, testing this out here at Sellers Arena. Feel free to share your results from this in the comments down below this video. And we'll probably be coming back around later on to share some of the results from our testing with this new match type. So yeah, make sure you subscribe in the meantime. Give me a like if you got some good value out of this video, and I will see you in the next one.